Hello guys, welcome back to Data Analyst with Saeed, and today we're gonna continue from our Power BI session. So now I already told you guys about how stack bar is, what is stack column, cluster bar, cluster column, 100% stack bar, 100% stack column, line chart, area chart, stacked area, stack 100% stacked area, line and stack, and all of these. Now after telling you guys this, now we're just gonna really talk about the other ones, the other graphs, and how it's worked. So first, how we can know what these type of data, this type of chart work, is we have to go from get data. You can either go to Excel workbook, or go to text CSV. So now you see the Amazon sales data, you click on it, you open it, it's gonna open. Now you have that's all the data. Now you try to say load. It's gonna load for you. Don't worry about those others. Now it's gonna load. Now um now we're gonna go to transform data. We're gonna transform it. Now you can see this is like the whole there's like 100 countries and 12 profit, like about six to seven type seven type of uh topics: order day, order priority, sales channel, item type, and country, and more, such as total profit, cost, revenue, unit cost, price, all of these. So now here we go make this old. So now we're gonna exit out because it already transformed. Now we're gonna start talking about these charts. So a ribbon chart is usually like you could say we can also just use AI, but here, let me put country here, put item type here. So this is what a ribbon is. It just here. Give you guys a better example of it. So what is a ribbon chart in short term? Because it can be a long term. So, so So it just kind of so this one says about changes over time, but but this is like so a ribbon chart in Power BI just is a visualization that changes over time, and like any categories that change or shift can make it can va like can like highlight it from different points. So you can see here, let me go. So you can see Democratic Republic of the Congo has count of item one, but it can really change. Like they're saying like right here, Turkmenistan, they can change. The type of changes at -50. So it's here. It's at -33 all the way here. These are like 0% of change. So that's all about it. Now if we exit out and do total profit, it's gonna give us more. It's gonna go down. It's going down, down. Do if we do sales channel, gonna go down, but if we put item type here, you can also see like the changes and what changes of item type it happens of the sales channel. So let's do Sierra Leone. You can see the item type is office supplies and count of sales channels too. And you can see the item type. So the item type is also supplies, but here now we can see the sales channel. Sales channel change is -1, 50%. Now we're gonna talk about waterfall. So waterfall is just, I guess, like it's gonna like it talks about which one increases, decreases, and like which of them combines together. And here, let me just give you guys a better example. What is a waterfall chart in Power BI desktop? Short but accurate answer. See, so a value that changes due to positive or negative contribution, showing a running goal, project process, and also performance by breaking down changes into individual components. So you can see Mexico is total. Over here, you can see uh th- this item type of food is increasing, keeps increasing, and also beverages also increasing, but household is decreasing. So as personal care is decreasing for Mexico. Now, country for Sierra Temple, what is increasing is office supplies and vegetables for item type is that's decreasing is beverages and fruits. And these are 100% while these are 100 these goes up. Now we're gonna talk about a pheno. So a pheno is like all the highest points always be at the top and the lowest just keeps going lower and lower here. What what is a waterfall chart and short accurate answer in Power BI? Is a visualization that shows the running totals values are added or subtracted. So changes due to positive and negative, but it uses for financial analyze and business insights. The color code is the blue. Well, oh wait, not a waterfall, my bad. A pheno. Here, connected. It helps tracks how data moves different phases such as pipelines, recruitment process, and customer journeys. Starts from the white at the top to narrows down, showing how values decrease at each stage. This makes it useful for identifying bottlenecks and analyzing conversion rates. So what I just said, that all the biggest will always be here and it will keep decreasing and decreasing. Now if you let's see if it shows it right here. The country is East Timor and the sales channel is 1 and the percent of first is 25 and the previous one is 100%. So a zoom map here, a scatter chart is just the same thing we learned is just it's like how the data is. It shows the like where the data meets, but it doesn't connect. It just one can be all the way at the top right, the other can be in the bottom left, and the other one can be in the middle, and the other one can be in the center middle-ish to the right. And a line scatter chart will just like connect all of them. So we know what a pie chart is. It's a circle and shows all the country and it shows how much percent it takes from 100. Same thing as a donut chart, it's just same exact thing. It's just there's a hole inside there's a big hole inside of the circle and it can also like show you the percentage to which country takes the most percent from 100%. So a tree map is you can really see so this is two, this is one, this is one, this is one, but like the biggest one will always be here and all the way to the smallest one here. A map is very just like a map. It shows us where here you can see the country over here is Federal States of Micronesia, and the item type is beverages, and the sales channel, the count of sales channels is one. You can see the bubble size we put here, kind of sales channel. Those are the bubbles. And now for the field map, it's the same thing. Just you can see a filled up beside having like a dots and stuff, it fills the continent. Server map, it just like you can like get inside, like look everywhere. Console sales channel, it really just says there's 100 sales channels across the whole continent. because it was 100 countries. And car is just same thing, but it just shows it in a car. So I hope you guys learned what I hope you guys understand what we talked about today. We talked about graphs and how it works. And from next session, if I have didn't miss anything, I'll start working on how we can graph our own data and how we can visualize our own data and how we can create one. So I hope you guys understand and I hope you guys I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.